Boom. Let's check this. Fantastic. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Gaston, and I'm a tech director at TC Resource Technology. Also, I'm your tutor on this big data analytics. So big data now, it is exactly what you need. You need a pen and paper. Like a long years ago, you want to go to do anything, a company, whoever needs some files and paper and things like that. But nowadays is this things called big data. Last time we went through, and today again, we're going to do the same thing. So I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to Lagos State University, LASU, for giving us this opportunity to add value. And also, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to TC Resource Technology for entrusting in me to teach and also to look after the whole platform regarding the technology that we are using. So thank you to the audience. You are the one actually, this is about you. This is about you now. This couple of 2 hours, we're gonna do something to do with the data. Correct. So without delay, we're going to move quickly. Why people asking why even why do you partner with Tableau? Tableau is a big company. How did you even get through this stuff and stuff like that? Well, we are business. We are business. Even if it's going to take us a lot money or whatever cost, we have decided to go big, and this is the reason we partner with Tableau. The next things, likewise, we partner with LASU. LASU is big. LASU is big. Now, comparing with the Tableau, some people say, why are you promoting Tableau? You know, when we talk about partnership here, there's an exchange. Do you get it? There is an exchange. And that's what we are doing with Tableau and LASU. So without any things, you guys already know my name. So my name is Gaston. I've graduated with quantity surveying. Okay, I'm a number guy. So quantity surveying degree, master's in quantity surveying. My master's research focused on the use of qualitative and quantitative statistical analysis of thermal mass to improve the energy efficiency in residential and commercial structure in the UK. I was not born data scientist. You get it? I become data scientist. So likewise, anybody can become using the data. So you can't say, well, I'm doing historical or I'm doing something that has nothing to do with data. You are counting money. If you know how to count money, I can tell you now, you are using numbers, you are using maths. Maybe you don't know. Okay, so financial and risk management, mathematics with the emphasis in statistics and algorithm. Okay, enthusiastic and highly capable data scientist who is extremely passionate. That's right. Very passionate about deriving and implementing machine learning algorithm from scratch to solve businesses' problems. A data-driven decision-making with a strong career focus on customer-centric analysis and initiative. That's me. So we're gonna go now straight to this something that we are here to do, using data and doing the data analytics with Tableau. So let's look at this. Let's look at this here. I think I'm gonna close this for now. I can close this. And that's what we need today. Okay, Tableau. Master data visualization with Tableau. And what is Tableau? Okay, So you guys know already, you guys have been done, you've done your research. The things that I like about you, particularly, it is that you guys are hungry about learning. This motivated me. I was one of you. And I'm still today very, very motivated person to learn. I spend a lot of money on what we call personal development. That's right. But then when you get something for free, you know, sometimes you're not as motivated as when you pay. You know, when you pay for something, your motivation is high than something that you get it for free. When I was at degree level, undergraduate, okay, I had a scholarship. UK government pays everything. They pay for my scholarship. They give me money free. They call it grant, okay? So I did not pay anything for 3 years. Actually, normally in the UK, it will take you 3 years to do your degree. I spent 2 years only to get out of my degree, but they pay everything. So I wasn't as, even though I came out quickly, graduated, fantastic, but I got it for free. I paid, but that time it is actually I got money for free, you know, but it ended up with debt. When they give you that money in the UK, when you graduated, you have to pay that money back, okay? But there are some money that you don't actually pay back, yeah? So we call it grant, okay? So, but what happened then? When I moved to do my master's, I paid that full. I paid in cash. Me pulling money from my pocket, 10,000 pounds. I, for the first time, slept in the library, okay? Our library in the UK here is 24 hours. So I slept in the library. My motivation has gone 10 times because that time I paid it. And how serious that 10,000 cost me to look at every page, every word that they're giving in lecture. I want to understand. Why I'm talking this? Because I'm going to show you something here related. Guys, stay muted. Stay muted because we want. Okay, stay muted. Who is stay muted, guys? Well, I've sent you a lot of text messages making sure that you got sound, but you don't got sound. You don't have sound now. Like Ojo, Janet, she's not hearing me right now. Raphael, he is not hearing me right now. If you guys know these people, get to them and tell them that they can log out and log back in, and then click on sound. There is a microphone on your phone, and you click on that, and it gives you sound. If you guys can do me a favor to reach out to these people quickly, and because the fact is that they are here to listen. In the meantime, if we can help them, that would be fantastic. CG, she's not listening right now, but she's logged in. SB, there are many people that logged in that cannot hear me because they don't know actually how this thing is working. So if you guys can help, check anybody that is on video without a sound, without a microphone, they're not listening to me. They cannot hear me. Right, good. So when I was doing my master's, I paid the 10,000 myself, and I can guarantee you that I slept in the library many times because it was serious to me. Okay, good. So why should I say this to you? Because this thing we are teaching you right now is free. Okay, we are giving you this education, this latest education, free, and you might not be as motivated as if you pay. But I'm going to show you something here. You guys know that we are partners with Tableau, and from today, I'm going to teach you this fundamental, okay? Fundamental, this is from Tableau. Guys, stay muted. We want you to stay muted because this is very important what we're doing. We don't want to interfere with Okay. Stay muted, please. Stay muted. Yes. Okay, good. So we partner with Tableau. Tableau give us some materials. Okay, we got the materials that stay muted. Stay muted for your benefit. So stay muted. I will be giving you time to ask question. There's no time for the question here, so stay all time muted because the recording, we need clear recording. Great. Okay, so there is an exchange when we partner with a company, like we partner with LASU. LASU is a big company, it's a big brand, okay? We from nowhere, small, but reach out to add value to LASU student. Likewise with the Tableau, we partner with the Tableau. Tableau say, okay, you can promote us. You're gonna promote us. People are gonna buy Tableau immediately, but in short run, we don't get nothing except from the partnership with using the materials. This is so critical. And Tableau, it is one of the most expensive business intelligence tools to use. Now, we're going to briefly tell you what you are getting involved with. Okay, this is exactly what we're going to learn today. Okay, that's the one fundamental. Okay, so if you would want to go straight to Tableau to learn this, you can. You don't need to fly. You can do this from Nigeria. Okay, so what is this called is about? Audience. This course is designed. I'm reading from here, guys. This is Tableau. This is their platform. This is where we got this stuff. And then let me just give you a quick overview. So this course is designed for beginners, okay? Tableau users, okay? It is for anyone who works with data, regardless of technical or analytical background. This course is designed to help you understand and use of the important concept of technique in Tableau to move from simple to complex visualization and learn how you combine them in interactive dashboard. Okay, duration, depending on your particular class. It will either run 2.5 hours, okay? 2.5 hours daily instruction for 5 days. You can do 5 days. We give you 6 weeks. We're gonna complete this thing successfully. No problem. But it's small. It's small because we are taking question. With them, no question asked. You're going straight in and it's recorded. There is no person like I'm talking now. You're going to ask him question. It's all recorded, no interactive. That's what is measured like that for 5 days. You finish the course. Okay, presentation, prerequisite, none. Okay, that's why we told you. You don't need anything. The CEO told you that, are you willing to learn the new technology? Yes, if you are, this is for you. Learning objective, all ended, So connect data to you, connect to your data. You have learned that last time. Everyone here knows how to do that already. I've got 2 hours to deliver this, exactly what is been measured. So edit and save. You guys already know how to do this. Understand Tableau terminology. We're gonna do this today. Use Tableau interface, paradigm, effectively create a powerful visualization. You have created a visualization, but we're gonna do more today. Create basic calculations, okay? Calculation, arithmetic calculations, custom aggregation, ratio, data maps, quick table calculation. We're gonna do this today. Present your data using following: geographic map, cross tabs, heat maps, tree maps, pie chart, bar chart, dual axis, highlighting tables, scatter plot, and then build a dashboard to share visualization. All these things you're gonna do today. The dashboard we're gonna do next time. Okay. It's going to take you 5 days. It's going to, for you to complete this, just fundamental, okay? 5 days. You're going to finish 5 days with Tableau. Tableau, you got money, or you don't have. This is $1,400. Okay, you don't need to speak to one of them. Nobody's going to speak to you like I'm speaking to you now. Some of you already actually had the opportunity to actually send me messages in individual level, and I can respond anytime, even at midnight, because I put notification in, and I value you because there is a need, and I have to stand tall to do what it takes to add value or to impact knowledge. Correct. So you are getting the value of 1,400 for free. That's correct. Nobody pays currently now. No one had paid. It is the currently exact the materials, the content, and the delivery with the same software. This is it. But you get it for free. And I was telling you that when I was at the university, I had a scholarship. I wasn't as serious as when I paid my master £10,000. So pay attention on what we're going to do. Good. So why even Tableau then? Somebody is asking, why don't you choose for somebody something else, and why is Tableau? Guys, we're going to get in this. Show me data. Show me data. That's I'm a data guy. I don't take no time for just talking. So show me data. Let's go right in, do some definition, and then we're gonna come in and show me data or give me data. Okay. So Tableau, you guys know, I'm reading from here. Tableau, it is a business intelligence software that allows anyone to connect to respective data and then visualize and create interactive, shareable dashboard. Data visualization is the process of visually showing information. People have tendency to gain insight from data quicker using visual versus pouring a huge amount of data. Pictures, give them pictures. Those CEO, they love Tableau. I tell you, they love it. They love it because it's simple. Tableau put a lot of money to do all the coding. It's simple. So these are the one, the terminology that we talked about. Tableau say they want to teach you. This is exactly that. This we didn't get it from anywhere or buy books, or we got it. We are partnered with Tableau. You guys already know this. So you're gonna learn about Tableau Reader, Tableau Public, Tableau Server, Tableau Online, and Tableau Desktop. Some of you already reached out to me and say Tableau Mobile is out. Guys, stay muted. Stay muted all the time. I'm trying to mute this person. iPhone, please stay muted. Stay muted. Thank you. Okay, good. So from today, you're gonna work out with something. You're gonna work out with something. So Tableau Desktop Server. You got a video. Okay, you got a video. You're gonna read it. You're gonna take your time. You're gonna go through it. Okay. We are not the only one that partner with Tableau. Many people partner with Tableau because we're just trying to impact knowledge, and we tell you that this is. You can go straight to them. It's gonna cost you $1,400 today. You have to pay in full before they talk to you. But you're having it for free now. And I just shown this to get your attention. Also, we got our competitors that are in Nigeria currently. They charge the same price for 5 days. They're doing the same thing, no excuses, no whatsoever. And I don't blame them. At one point I say, well, these guys are serious because they charge the audience the same price for 5 days. Okay. And what is it? What is the difference? We say there is a way. There is a way. It doesn't matter now. We are looking in the long run. Okay. So we're not desperate for money. Our motivation is imparting knowledge to our community and our society. Our motivation is to change, add value. Okay, add value. That's the word. So, desktop, self-service business analytics, and data visualization. Anyone can use it. Okay. A Tableau server. you're going to take your time when you read, when you're running this video, take your time to read this, because this is so critical, and it helps you. Once you understand what it's all about, then it has value to you. Okay, so if you don't actually know the value of something, you might not give as much value as it is. Like guys, stay muted, because we want to have this recording clean. Stay muted in the audience, on the whole. iPhone, please stay muted. Okay. Please stay muted, because we want the recording clean enough. Good. So Tableau Server, it is this Tableau desktop. I'm reading from here. You can directly connect your data from the data warehouse and have it live, and then do some queries. You guys have already started doing it, and then you integrate all together by combining multiple views. Interactive dashboard. We'll teach you dashboard. I think it's going to be coming soon, the 3rd week. Okay, so Tableau Server, what is it does? What does it do? So it is more as an enterprise level Tableau software. You can publish dashboard with Tableau desktop and then share them through the organization with the web-based Tableau Server. Okay, it leverages fast database through live connection. Correct. So Tableau Reader. You guys, I'm just giving you what it is this all about. So I'm giving you what is Tableau Reader, what is Tableau Public, what is Tableau Server, what is Tableau Online, and what is Tableau Desktop. These are product, okay? These are product of Tableau, and for you to get the understanding, you have to get the definitions, okay? Get the definition. So what is Tableau Reader? What is Tableau Public? That's what I'm just reading for you to get it, and then we're gonna dive in to do something more. Okay, so far so good. Tableau Online is the hosted version, guys. I'm reading from here. Okay, is the hosted. Let me move this a little bit over here. You guys can still see me. Yeah, awesome. Over here. Good. So Tableau Online is the hosted version of Tableau Server, which helps make business intelligence faster and easier than before. That's correct. You can publish, data dashboard with Tableau desktop and share them with your colleagues. Right. So Tableau Reader is a free desktop. This one here, Tableau Reader. Okay, take your time to go through it so you really understand. Tableau Reader is a free desktop application that enables you to open view visualization that are built in the Tableau desktop. You can filter, drill down data, but you can't edit or perform any kind of interaction. Tableau Public. Okay, Tableau Public is a free Tableau software which you can use to make visualization with, but you need to save your workbook or worksheet in a Tableau server, which can be viewed by anyone. That's why it is public. Yeah. Companies, they don't use the public one because they don't want people to see the data, and that's what they pay for. But for we that partner with Tableau, they say, hey, give the Tableau Public to your audience to learn from. Okay, we know that you are promoting us. Once your audiences learn the Tableau, there's no difference. There's no difference whatsoever. Okay, very tiny difference that we might show you down the line, but Tableau Public, it is same as the one that people pay thousands per month or per year. Okay, depends how many audiences you buy for your company. Correct. So what else? What else here? Tableau Public is free. and boom, why learn Tableau? Somebody already asked this question last time. Why is it that you bring in Tableau to us? There is other data visualization or software visualization that are out there. Why should you bring Tableau to Nigeria? And then we say, well, it is not because we want Tableau, or it's not that we are trying to sell you product from Tableau, but we believe that Tableau it is one of the best. It's actually the best. Okay, so Tableau it is a data visualization tool that saw third largest demand. Okay, Tableau lets you create advanced chart and graph. Okay, and then require no coding. That's the beauty of it. No coding, drag and drop. Okay, so visual analytics skills have proven especially hot, and Forbes. That's why we say we want to partner with Tableau. Forbes recently ranked Tableau as the technical skills with third biggest rise in demand. Okay, someone say, who is Forbes? Is these people over here. These are the people. Forbes. So Forbes in 2017, just 2 years ago, they say the top technical skills with explosive growth in job demand. We're not bringing you something that we love just to teach you. No, that's not the case. We bring you something that is in demand, is hot right now. And this can change our community, our society in finance. Okay, the more money you have, the more people are going to hear about you. Okay, the reason we believe on this Forbes that ranked them third here, if Forbes say something about you, okay, someone is say what is even Forbes? Just a quick one. Okay. Forbes. What's happening? Okay, let me see. Okay, Forbes. You guys know Forbes. There is no doubt about it. Okay, Forbes. Forbes is an American, guys. I'm reading from here. Forbes is an American magazine published by, they publish weekly. Okay, it features original articles on finance, industry, investment, and marketing topic. Forbes also report on related subjects such as technology, communication, science, and politics, and the laws, and all of this. So Steve Forbes, okay? These people, if they talk about you, if they say something about you, whether you're a rich man, you're a poor man, or you're an artist, or you're good, do you understand? They've done a lot of research before they publish something. And when they publish something, it's backed up by data. And they say, if they say something about you, it's a fact. They say, you like it or not, okay? So they're saying here that the 10 top skills you need today. These are the 10 ones, okay? Watch this. They say, we in this post, we are revealing the top 10 technical skills. They're ranked by how often it appears in job descriptions. Okay, the category is in a parenthesis, shows you the type in jobs increase. Okay, and the technical skills with the biggest. I'm just reading. I haven't created this. I'm just reading. Okay, technical skills with the biggest increase in demand. Big data. I love it. Big data, number one. If I were you, if it will take something for me to change or to upgrade myself or to add value to myself, I got to do it. I've got to learn something about big data. And now you don't need to fly. You don't need to fly out. You don't need to go anywhere. While you are where you are now, we're bringing this thing to your doorsteps. Right. If I were you, I've got to learn something about this big data. What is it? What is it that is number one? You get it? I'm going to learn something about it because it will add value to my whatever I have learned, and then I have to do something about it. It's a big demand for big data analytics because everybody uses big data. I will show you in a moment. Okay. This number two, we're not teaching you this. Okay. We're not teaching you in design and all of that. Number three, Tableau. This is the baby. This is your baby. You're going to learn this thing. We will get to you. We're going to go after you when we finish this. We want you to join a project so that you can use Tableau in a live project. But then within these 6 weeks, we are doing practical things. Our stuff are practical. They're not lecture like the one you're getting from university. I've been to university. Don't even trying to convince me that you know, there is a project and things like that. They just give you theory. That's fine. That's fine. No problem. I'm not saying the university is bad or something like that. I'm not saying anything against the university because I've been there. All right. So it's a good place to go. When you go there and you work out, and we bring in something that it will just take you months to add value to your skills, okay, then it will make sense to you. Okay, we're not going to teach you this. We're not going to teach you this, but we're going to teach you Python down the line. Okay, so if I were you, I have to grab this quick. Let's stay muted. Stay muted for us to have a beautiful, clean recording. iPhone, please, stay muted. Stay muted. Thank you. All right, let me give you a little bit of these things. And well, some of you know Forbes, when they talk about things, they talk about things that are in UK, you know, Europe, US, you know, China, things like that. But Tableau is all over the place. This is, imagine if you're going to be staying, well, we're not just going to teach you because Forbes say is the top, but what it is the benefit for you to know this. What is the benefit? Okay, imagine if you are in the UK here, this is business intelligence analyst Tableau. Okay, so 450 to 500 pounds per day is a contract. Okay, contract can go anywhere for 6 months. Even they tell you here is 6 months. Okay, 6 months. 6 months, 450 to 550 per day. What is the conversion right now? Somebody give me conversion. I'm not sure conversion in Naira. Where's my calculator? Okay, let's take average, 450, 500. Okay, let's take 500 average. Give me conversion. I'm not sure about, is it 250? This is, or I'm not sure. Tell me, what is the 1 pound in Naira? Do I go and search this right now?
360.
360. Okay, so 360 per day. This is Naira per day. We just got average, so it's going to be like 180,000 per day. Okay, so you work 5 days. Okay, per week you are anywhere like 900,000 Naira per week. You got 4 weeks a month. You're getting somewhere like 3. It's getting bigger now. Even to read it, I have to think. It's getting like, it's like 3,600,000. Okay. If this can convert it into Naira, is it this my job? I'm the one advertising this job? No, I'm just showing you because I'm a data guy. If I say something, I need to back it up with data. So it is a very highly skilled and is in demand. Okay, this is where this is in London. Okay, it's been published just 23rd October. Okay, where else? Click on this. This is again London. That's 6 months contract. And this one here is another 6 month contract. If you take the company, they're different companies. It's not in one place. Keep going. You keep going. Reporting analyst, Tableau, London. Okay. This is 50,000 per month, per annum. Okay. So this is permanent. Guys, this is permanent. Permanent is not as, the money is not as good as a contract, but they're going to invest in you. They do a lot of work with you, some training as well. Another one, contract 400 to 500 per day. Keep going on and on and on. I can drop this for you just to see what they are doing. I'm dropping this in the chat right now for you guys, just to have the flavor. What is this Tableau is you all about? Because we are motivating you to say we want to add value to you and all of that. But has this going to give you end result? Has it going to add value and the benefit? I'm dropping this on the chart. Okay. Give me a chart. Okay. So I'm dropping this right now. Okay. Pause recording, disable, no, chat, boom. I'm dropping this to everybody. There you go. Just click on it and tap Tableau. Just tap Tableau and then get the flavor of kind of things they're wanting from you. Oh, somebody say, well, this is the UK. Gaston, this is the UK. We are in Nigeria. We want something in Nigeria. Good question. Go and type data scientist or data science job in Nigeria. If you Tableau guy, they call you a data scientist or Tableau developer. It's the same thing. I have done a research. Okay, I've actually literally registered in some of them send us a job on a regular basis. Last time it was 47. Today it's 57. So 10 jobs keep increasing per day. I told you. This is Nigeria. And click on one of them and go through it. Okay. I'm going to drop you this as well. So that you know what we're doing. You exactly know what we are doing. We're going to go after you when you finish this. We're going to go after you and then get you in a project, even though it's a practical thing. So we are doing practical stuff. It is not as a 3 years. We're talking about months, and we get you ready, skills, and ready with the analytic hands-on data. Okay, hands-on project, and you're ready to go. So who's ready for this? Who is actually ready for this, man? Let me see. Let me see if we can already get into this seriously. Okay, so we thought about the jobs in Nigeria. We thought about Forbes talking highly about Tableau or big data, and then some of you say that we want to know why is it even so important. We show you the importance of it. We show you the importance of it, and we have partnered with Tableau If you don't need to fly. You can check my profile here. Okay, before we go, I wanna mention this because I can help you correct your error from here, from the UK. Okay, my bed or while I'm driving, but I have to pull over. I have to pull over to see what is going on. Okay, so while I'm driving, I can pull over and check whether you've done it correctly, or in my office, I can check in what is going on and then help you. Okay, all you got to do, once you get this Tableau, this is the software. This is the software. Some of you have it already. Some of you do not have. I'm going to drop this again in this. If you are not here, you must join this platform called TC Resource Technology LASU. I'm dropping this software. This is the software you're going to use. Download it. And then I'm going to give you the data right now. So the data we're going to use, as I'm speaking, let me drop the data set files. Okay, you might have problems with CSV file. I'm going to give you Excel. Some of you may have problem with the CSV. Then I'll give you the version, both versions, which is the Excel and also CSV. Boom. Okay, today data set. I'm going to say today data set to practice or something like that. What do you think? Today data set for practice. We are doing this live, guys. That's the beauty of it. Boom, it is gone. So you can download it in Excel or in CSV if you don't have Microsoft Office, you're gonna have problem. Let me help you. Some of you may not have Microsoft problem. If you don't, okay, if you do not have Microsoft Office, you may have problem. You may have problems to open the data set. Okay. However, you can install Open Office.org and you are good to go. You are good to go. Boom. Guys, we're doing this live. So some of you may not have the Microsoft Office. That's your problem. You're not going to open those data sets. Okay. But you can install Open Office and you're good to go. It's as good as Microsoft Office. You don't need Microsoft Office. Okay, guys? So Open Office, how does it look like? Boom, let me see. This is the guy. Just install this and you're good to go. You'll be in a position to open this data and then load it, okay? Fantastic. Okay, guys, we talk enough. We have now, I've been given 2 hours. Exactly like a Tableau is teaching you here. This is for you to complete this. They measure, they've calculated it. They've what we call it, tested. 2.5 hours, 5 days, they charge you 1,400. And what is it? No certificate yet. This is desktop 1. There is desktop 2 and desktop advanced and all of that. So time is critical and we want to dive in straight away. But we got your attention. Now that we got your attention from Forbes, we got your attention from the money you're supposed to pay. Okay, because our competitor charging the same price. I've sent these things to CEO and he was like, seriously? I say, yeah. What we are doing big things, but if we don't show people what we are doing, they might not be motivated enough. So we are showing you facts. We are a data company. We're not just talking, okay? So we got to show you some facts. That's the reason. Okay. Okay, somebody is ready. Somebody say, I'm ready. Gaston, let's go. Show me data. That's what I want. Show me data. Okay, I'll show you right now. Tableau basics. So you're gonna download it and then you open Tableau. You connect the sample data set to review an interactive. Okay, show me. Well, I'm gonna, let me open it. Guys, I'm opening my Tableau right now, the software. So this is a practical thing, so I can keep talking. So show me data. Come and open the Tableau, boom, boom. It's opening, or it has already opened? Okay, let's see what is happening. Show me data. Okay. Seems like it's already open. Let me see. All right. Okay. Let me close these windows. Okay. Guys, this is technology. We're doing this live. Okay. That's all I want. I want this to open. And it seems like it has opened somewhere. Okay. So I also don't want this. I'm gonna close this, close this, close this. Okay. Right. Yeah. So you guys just click when you are on your Tableau Public. Click follow. Okay. So when you click follow, how do you gonna search? Just click here. You click here and then type Gaston Daring like this, and this will pop up. As it pops up, click follow the author. Click follow. So for now, because yeah, I'm on my page, so it won't say follow. But when you actually click, it's gonna say follow. So and then you click follow. You click this. You click on this guy, which is me, Gaston, and then you click follow. And what that means that any work, any movement of your data, okay, anything you publish, I can see it. I can see it, and then I can help you to say, I think something is missing with that visualization. Okay, look at this, guys. This guy, I haven't even said anything about these things yet. Look, some of them, that's why I say I love to work with you guys. Elias, you see, I haven't spoke about these things here. Oh, he just did it today. What's the date of today? Today is 6. He did it yesterday. He followed me yesterday. This guy, Elias Sani, he probably is on the call right now. This guy, Neliki Elan, is probably Olayton. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to When in our normal class, we do introduction. We let everybody introduce themselves, where they are logging from, which city they are logging from, and it helps us to have a relationship, a real relationship. Some of you, I actually pick up my phone and call you, you know. It is a real class. Some of you thought that this learning distance is a scam. When we first got started, nobody want to listen to us. Nobody want to listen. They say no. How come it can be? How come it can be possible? So but this is not a class. It is a class, but because of the time frame, then we are, you guys are in the audience in the hall right now, and if we want to give microphone to everybody to introduce themselves, we might waste the time. So that's why we're not doing this introduction. So when you join the project, okay, we're gonna do the introduction so that you introduce yourself and help us to know how to pronounce your name properly. Thank you, Olaitan. Thank you very much. We got David. Well, these guys are before, but these two people here, I haven't told them nothing about following but they done the search. They've done the research. Oh, it is beautiful. So it is not part of this, but I'm curious. I'm curious just to click on it. I'm curious. Guys, we're doing this live. And this is one of your students, one of the students in the hall right now. I'm telling you, this is resource technology training, day one. I love it. I love it. Wow. So the guy is promoting us like we are promoting Tableau. You see, he's promoting us. TC Resource Technology Day One. Somebody gonna say, what is TC Resource Training Day One? They're gonna type on Google TC Resource Technology. Boom, we will pop up. That creates what we call traffic. You know, it creates traffic, and this is what he did it here. This is not part of the show you the guys that are doing work, but I've shown you. It's the data, it's a fact. Okay, guys, I've got 2 hours to go with you. Make sure you click follow, and I can come here and see what is the problem you're having. I can help you and get the things back in track, just like that. Without calling you, I can do some correction and send you a text message. Some of you may ask me a question, and you see how I'm responsive. So yeah. So guys, okay. Show me data. Okay. So what was the problem? The problem was I was trying to open my Tableau. Okay. Let me quit this. First. Okay. Why is it opening two? Oh. All right, let me shut this down. And guys, just a moment. This is technology. So as long as it's a technology, we'll get it. So I have this. This is what I want to open. Okay. So just a moment. Let me see what is happening. Because it's supposed to be opening it, but it's not. But okay, let me check. Everything seems correct. All right, not a problem. Let this run for the moment. Is something is going to be quick. Let's see. It's still downloading. It's still downloading. I don't need to download it because I have it. So let me remove this. Quit this. Okay, guys, I have it. Beautiful. Okay, somebody's trying to help right there. Yeah, this is the baby. It's open, but actually it's open. I was trying to open it many times, and Tableau is saying that Tableau is so smart. It's not like a Python that let you just do some random errors. When we come to analytic, you will realize that actually it prompts you what to do. Yeah, that's so powerful. Okay, so we were talking about. So let me. It is fine. Let's carry on. So as we open a Tableau, I'm going to show you this thing called show me. Okay, somebody is trying to help. I can imagine. Show me. This is the design. This is the analytic that you're going to use. Okay, so show me. Where is the show me? This is the show me. Okay, so I have to at least open one of the data so that we're going to use. What is happening? Okay, just a moment. Okay, so let me just open one of the data so that I can show you. No, I don't want this. I don't want to do any of this. What is happening? Guys, just bear with me. Okay. It seems okay. It seems okay. Good. So show me. It is this one here, because I'm going to go back and forth to show you. So show me in action. Okay. Show me here. This place. Show me. This is all your design. Is here. You're going to click show me, and show me gives you all of these things. When you click something, these things we call them an analytic design. So it could be heat. Okay, let's talk about this. This is for you can see the highlighting tables. Okay, and you come to this heat maps. Okay, and then you come to this is called test tables. Okay, and you come to this is called the maps. Okay, maps. If you're going to use maps and all of this, this is called pie chart. This is called bar chart, and so on and so forth. So today we're going to go through this. We're going to do we're going to learn this and then do one of them. So let me quickly show you what Tableau is trying to say here. Okay, this is the things. Okay, this is heat map. Okay, tree maps, pie chart. Okay, dual axis. We're not learning this today. We're gonna learn it next time. Okay, highlighted tables. You're gonna learn this today. Scatter plot. Okay, scatter plot. We're gonna learn next time, and then dashboard next time. Okay, 5 days, 1,500, 1,400. It will come out literally from your pocket. Okay. Okay, Elias, this guy is so self-motivated. Fantastic, great. So let's do some. Let me show you what I mean by this. And today, we're going to do more. We're going to do about measures. I'm going to show you what measures are. Okay, measures are numeric. Okay, measures. Measures are the numeric metrics or measurable quantity of the data, which can be analyzed by dimension tables. Measures are stored in tables that contain foreign keys referring uniquely to the associated dimension tables. The tables supported by storage of atomic level and thus allows more numbers recorded to the inserted at one time. Okay, so it looks like there is a lot literature here, but this is the bit of it. When I say measures, this part here, okay, this part down here, everything here is a metric. Okay, so this part measures. Okay, so anything, any data, any variables is a metric. All right, so you guys now know what measures is. Measures in Tableau, it is these variables. Measures are the numeric metrics or measurable quantity of data, okay, which can be analyzed. That's right. And where they are, you're going to find them here. You're going to find them here in the measures. Anything from here goes down, anything is a metric, is a numeric. Okay, so you can analyze them and store them. Dimensions. Dimensions are the descriptive attribute value for multiple dimensions of each attribute defining multiple characteristics. A dimension table having reference of a product key from the table can consist of product name, product type, size, color, description, etc. This sounds like a lot, but if you understand the definitions, then you are ready to grasp the data. So in one word, in picture, in Tableau, these things, dimension, anything here. City is in a dimension, country, you see, size, color, okay, all of these things. These variables are stored in this part. Fantastic. So now you know what is show me, okay? You know what is measures, you know what is dimensions, because you already have, literally you have this Tableau open and you can go through it. You know now, but you can do it later on. So I'm showing you today exactly what this bit is expecting from you. Boom. What are the different data types in Tableau? Okay, you've got booleans, okay, true or false. You've got data or date, okay, date values like December, okay. You've got date and times, okay, time stamps and value, okay. When you're going to start doing your project, you're going to join us the project down the line, you're going to understand there are some data that do not, you can't use them, but you're going to try to find, you're going to see, is it this data set has which type of this data set is, you see? So, and there is a geographical value, okay, geographic mapping, very, very powerful, okay, text and strings, okay, and also numbers, decimal numbers, okay, and numbers as whole as well. So these are the different types of data that do exist in Tableaus, okay. Fantastic. So what are the table shelf? Okay, they are named, guys, I'm reading free here. They are named areas of the left and top of the views. You will view by placing fields onto the shelf. Some shelves are available only when you select a certain mark types. This is the one here. This is the one here. So you've got filters is here, is a shelf. Okay, page is a shelf. Okay, text is a shelf. Okay, filter is a shelf. rows and columns. Up here is a shelf. How does that look? You come up here. Okay, these are shelf. Marks is a shelf. Okay, so we're talking about shelf. Marks is the shelf. Filter is a shelf up here. Okay, rows and columns, they are shelf. Okay, details, shelf. Size, all of this, these are shelf. So shelves are named, they are named area to the left and top of the view. You build views by placing field onto the shelf. Some shelves are available only when you select certain types of data. We will see in a moment. Some, when you select a type of data, Tableau already prompts you that, oh, we know what you're trying to do. Okay, so they give you, they prompt you to do the right thing for the first time. Fantastic. So show me data. Guys are ready now. You guys are ready. So let's do some practical. This is the beauty of it. Once we talk, then a bit of definitions, and that's it, straight to the practical things. So challenge 1, you guys have done challenge 1 already. You have finished it. We have completed this. I'm just waiting for you guys to follow me, and I'm going to get all the list of the people who have completed this, because I've got a report to give to the LASU, like the CEO told you. We want to know some of them. Maybe not all of you are going to finish. You see, it is like you go to university, 100 of you. It's not really all 100 going to graduate. Some of them are going to drop out. That's the fact. Some of them may change their mind. I don't think I'm ready for university yet. They're going to drop out. So we've been giving you data we know you guys registered. We know how many are you and all of that, but not all of you are going to complete it, but at least we want you to complete. Okay, so you have done challenge 1. Okay, challenge 2 today. This is your first bar chart that you're going to do in Tableau. Okay, so bar chart, it is your first one, and then let's get into data. We already go 1 hour. 1 hour is already gone. We got another 1 hour to do practical things. This is the beauty of it. A bit of definitions and then right into data. So show me data. Give me the data. Okay, so challenge 2, it says, it is the end of financial year, also known as EO or something like the EO5 or something like this. Okay, the end. E here stands for end, O here stands for off, and F stands for financial, and Y stands for year. So it is end of financial year. That means time for annual bonus. Some of you have worked for a company. At the end of the year, they give you a bonus. All right. So we're gonna do a critical analysis, analyticals, and then they say, hey, you are a data analyst, BI analyst working for a retailer. The store operates in 3 regions in the US, and only the top performing employee in each region qualify for bonus. Find out, guys, I'm reading from here. Find out 3 employees eligible to get bonus for this year 2018. We can change this. We can put 2019. No problem. Stay muted, please. Stay muted. Stay muted. I'm trying to mute you. Olare, please stay muted. Stay muted. Olare, please, can you stay muted? Olare, please, can you stay muted? I'm trying to mute you. Olare is in the hall. Can you stay muted? Olare Bolaji, please stay muted. Can somebody approach him in the hall, please? Thank you. Please stay muted. Yeah. Okay. So let's look at this. Who is ready now to do this practical things? Because as we said, we practice what we teach, and not just to let you go without get your hands on practical, because we believe in practice makes perfect. That's our philosophy. Okay. Without practice, I'm not sure how good you're gonna get. You know, you're doing something you don't practice, I don't think you're not going to be doing, you're not going to get anywhere. So give me data and then let's show me data. So we're going to do your second practical data analytic today. So this is the scenario. It's a real scenario. It looks critical. Some of you have worked, okay? And what the company they do at the end, let me give you the background. At the end of year, company, they give bonus to good employee. Do you understand? So it is the end of financial year. That means that time for financial bonus, okay, annual bonus. And you're a data scientist, data analyst, okay, BI analyst working for a retailer, okay? So the store operates in 3 regions in the US, and only the top performing employee in each region qualify for the bonus, right? So find out, this is your task. They say find out 3 employees are eligible to get a bonus for this year, 2018. You can put 2019 there, no problem. Employees are measured in total sales in dollars, okay? Okay, so what is the data set? I have already dropped the data set here just a couple of minutes ago as I was speaking. Some of you may have problem open the data in Excel, and I have also dropped the data in CSV. So you got CSV and you got Excel. So if you have problem with opening them, the issue could be that you don't have Microsoft Office installed. But that it is not the end of the world. You can install something called Open Office, which I also dropped it there. And that would enable you to open the data and then load it to your Tableau, start getting your hands straight on the analytics side of the thing, so that you're ready to stand tall and show up in these offices. Give me the data. Show me the data. Stop talking now. Give me the data. And then this is it. How confident are you? Why are you so confident? I say, well, I'm here for the job, and you are telling me 5 years experience. I just want you to give me the data. And they say, okay, let's see what this guy can do. And then let them give you the data. And this is it. This is it. As long as they give you the data, you're in. You're through. Because it is not the certificate. It is not how many years. Can you do it? This is what is in the UK. UK here, can you do it? Yes, I can. Okay, try. They're gonna say, okay, try, let's see. So open that data and let's see what we're gonna do with this now. Okay, so we're gonna say here, this is employees are measured in this, and then we're gonna add. Let's do this. So far so good. I'm just gonna close these things down, and how do you do it? Actually, I'm not saving anything. Don't save, okay? Don't save, and I just wanna get a fresh, open it so that we're going to work on. Okay. Beautiful. So if you download it in Excel, you're gonna click the first, say Microsoft Excel, okay? If you have downloaded in the CSV, then you're gonna click the second one that says text file. This is for CSV file. The first one is for Excel, okay? Well, I'm just gonna click the CSV file. So click on this, and You are connecting. What are we doing now? We are connecting the data to Tableau. Okay, fantastic. So I've downloaded here, and this is the guy. This is the guy here. Watch this. When I click on text file, CSV, anything else is graded out. How on earth Tableau knows that I'm only interested on CSV? CSV is allowed me that it shows me only one CSV available, that I can use it, but anything else is graded out. Like I told you, it's not like a Python let you just do your mistake and you can learn from your mistake. This Tableau help you to do the right thing for the first time straight away. And you're going to try to click anywhere, nothing is moving. Yeah. So like I told you that it prompted you to do the right thing. This is so powerful. How does you know only that this is what you're supposed to be doing? Because I was reading you somewhere about what okay, let me read what I was saying. Should I go back? Should I go back? Should I not? Okay. So okay. So this is what it does. Is prompting you, and it knows what you intend to do, and it does not let you just do mistake like that. So it helps you to do the right thing. So we say I want this CSV files, and anything else is graded out. So this is the guy I want. I selected, open, boom. Watch this. I am in now. I am in already. I got the data in the Tableau, and from here I can now do the analytics. This started getting excited. Okay, who's really excited about this? Let's see. Okay, so they say find out the 3 employees that should be given bonus. Okay, so employee are measured in this. They are measured in pounds, in dollars. Okay, so what do we want to do now, guys? We want to drag and drop the data set, okay, office supply to the Canva. Okay, automatically Tableau has done this performance. They just drag and drop it automatically. It's there. This is this place here called Canva. Okay, or worksheet if you want to call it. Fantastic. What else? Somebody is on the video. You might distract the guys. So if you don't mind, just stay on audio, please. Yeah, good. So let's drag and drop region to the Canva. Okay, let's drag and drop region to the Canva. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna create a new sheet. Seems like something is missing, but I know exactly. This is my pocket, you know. I know exactly what is missing. So what is missing here? We're gonna create a new sheet. Okay, sounds like a lot of work needs to be done creating. Okay, so to create a new sheet, that's all you gotta do. This things here called sheet. You click on it, you have just created a new sheet. Click on that, boom. That's it. So you got your shelf ready to do some analytics. You can see them here. Okay. So we now want to drag and drop region to the Canvas. Region. We want to drag and drop region to the canvas. Okay. So somebody already gonna help to know what is region. Region is going to be in a dimension. It can't be here. Anything in measures is a metric, is a numbers. Anything here, geographicals, colors and things like that, they are here. So now the definition started making sense. The definition, the early definition we talked about here started making sense. So when you have time, come back here and trying to read. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you these things. The definition earlier we're talking about here. Okay, let me come this one. So you got dimensions. Now you know what dimensions are. Dimensions are descriptive attributed value. for multiple dimension. Each attribute define multiple characteristics. A dimension tables, saving reference, a product key, form the table, can consist of product name, okay, product name, country name, product type, size, color, descriptive, okay? But then measures, so when you come here, by the definition, you can see here, this is descriptive, this is country, regions, and things like that. But when you come to measures, then measure is the metric, okay? Start making sense right now, okay? So metrics are numbers. Metrics are measurable quantity of data, okay, can be analyzed, okay, by dimension tables. Measures are stored in the table and contain foreign key, performing uniquely associated with the dimension tables. The table supported the data storage in atomic level and thus allows more numbers of record to be inserted. So start making sense now. Start making sense. So measures are here. So what are we going to do right now? We want to do this analytics things. Okay. So, okay. So guys, we want to drag and drop unit. We just did region. Have we done already regions? Let's drag and drop region to the Canva. Okay. Let's drag region to the Canva. This place. That's what we got to do. Just drag and drop it here. You can close your eyes and do this. Boom. Watch this. So I want to just click this. If you do, and you're having this show me here, you can click on the show me and it will go up. Okay. Boom. It's gone up. It disappeared. It is there. If you need it, click it again. Boom. It comes back. Okay. For now, I just want to leave it there. Okay. You tell me how on earth we just drag region, drop it here, and Tableau is saying that this is the suitable design you can use. How powerful that is. Recommended. They recommended you that that's the good thing. That's the design you should use. It is not like the school that let you do your mistake and give you 0. No. They say no. They prompt you to do the right thing straight away. They're not interested on your, they told you you don't need coding. They have done the coding already. Yeah. And you drag and drop and say, this is the right, they prompt you. You can change something else, but anything else is graded out. It's graded out. You're going to try to play something else, it's not going to work. This is how powerful it is. So we have drag and drop region to the Canva. Let's add a unit to it. Okay. So when I say let's add a unit to it, in another word, drag and drop unit. Okay. Drag and drop unit. And unit where the unit is in the measures because it's in numbers. Is a metric. Okay. So unit, drag and drop it anywhere here. Just drag and drop it on like boom. Okay. So we just drag and drop it on the here. So we can just drag and drop it there. Okay. So you drag unit and drop it to the same place again. And watch this. Tableau have now changed his mind. He changed his mind. He's saying that now that you add something from here, it gives you something else. It gives you a bar chart. It gives you, if you add something, if you add the second variable on this, I think bar chart is a suitable design. You can go about this analytics. This is how powerful it is. Okay. What else? What else can we do? What else can we do? Let's use show me tools. Guys, show me tools. Remember? Show me tools. These are all these things. These design things. Okay. So show me. Show me is here correctly. So it looks like this is what it is for us to use. Okay. Can you argue about it? No, you don't need to. Because you can change it. You can change it. Obviously, you can change. But it looks like this is the right one for you to analyze. Fantastic. What else? What else? Okay, next, let's add our rep to analyze who will be given the bonus. Representative, okay, this rep thing, it means representative. The employee, okay, the sales guy, okay. So let's add rep to that to see who is gonna be, they're looking to give the bonus to the rep. Okay, let's add reps. So rep, can you see rep here? Yeah, this is rep, representative. So just bring it and add it here. Boom. Did I add it to it? Okay. Boom. So far, so good. Can we click on it? Let's click to see what is happening. Boom. I clicked on this bar chart that they're saying to me, Tableau is giving me an option. I've just clicked on it right now. It looks fantastic. It looks fantastic. What else can we do? What else can we do? We have add rep to, we'll begin to see the bonus. And you tell me here. Let me click show me, go up. And by looking at it, Richard actually dominated in all regions, isn't it? You can see here, this guy is up here. Okay, we can change the way, if you want to, you can click up. If these things look like, if you want to try to bend your neck and things like that, Tableau think that this is a good way of doing it. But if you don't like that kind of way, you can click this thing. You can go up like this. What do you think about this? If you want this way, fantastic. If you want like this way, even if you click here, Tableau is still arguing that you should keep it horizontal. We click vertical here, okay, just to help you that you don't bend your neck like that. So yeah, so far so good, looking fantastic, it looks like this Richard has dominated, isn't it? So is that easy? Is that what that data analytic is? Not really. It looks, by looking at it, the chart, it seems like Richard is the most performing employee overall. Okay. Let's right click on our source data to view analysis. Right click on a data source. Right click on a data source to view data set. They told you that you're going to measure them in dollar. Okay. But is this in dollar or is it in amount? There is no dollar here yet. I can see here. There is no dollars in there. This is the amount of unit he sold. That's why it's dominating. So guys, let's do one thing. And let's click on the data source. Right click on data source. This is the data source. You do right click on it. And what we want to do, we want to view, okay? We want to view data, okay? So how do you view the source of data? You can literally come and do right click on it and go down, and something it says here, view data, boom. Watch this. Now you got the source of that data in front of you. And when we look at a Richard, okay, just look at this. You've got an item, you've got a date that is been ordered or is been sold. You've got a region east, and west central. You've got a rep, okay, representative or the employee. Richard it is here number one here, and he sold 62 pen set, okay, in central, in east, in east, and he also sold Richard is also in the east. In the east here, he sold something else, pen set, okay, 16, and how much was it? $4.99 per price, okay. Likewise, you can see the other rep, Nick, Susan, Matthew, and all of them. You can see that's all they sold with the prices and how many units they sold it. Okay, fantastic. So it looks like they want to give money to Matthew, aren't they? The managers, because he sold he sold 396 total unit. It's like he did a lot of work, okay? And they're ready to give him money, and they say, we think let bring these data guys in, and let's tell us what do you think who should get the bonus. I'm telling you, this is in the mind of company is a mind blowing. They don't want to make a mistake. I'm telling you, if you are we have done, for us to come here to this level, we have done a lot of research. I'm telling you, and we come up and say, hey, we're gonna go digital. We don't want to stay in a corner in a building. Okay, let's go digital, and let's target big people to add value to them. This is how we have done here, and I'm telling you that these people thought that Matthew, well, without the data, it looks like Matthew actually is the big guy, you know. So he sold actually 62 unit at $49.99. Okay, so we have done a right click on, let's now do right click. Okay. Okay, let's right click on a measure and create a formula calculated fit to solve this problem. Guys, this thing is a mind blowing. Right click on a measures to create a formula called calculated field to solve this problem. Exactly this measure things. This is the course from Tableau. Why should I come back here? Because we're not going outside what we partner with Tableau. If LASU tell us something, we actually stick to it. You're learning today something called calculated field. Okay, let me show you what I mean by calculated field, what they're talking about here. Okay, so you're going to do calculated field, aggregating, and then do your maths table, creating basic calculation, including basic arithmetic calculation, customer aggregation, ratio, data maths, and quick calculation table. Fantastic. That's exactly what we're going to be doing. That's exactly what you guys are doing this from where you are right now. So right click, you're going to do these things. You're going to click right click anywhere here. Okay, do right click here, and there is something called calculated field. This one here, create calculated field. Click on that. Boom. Okay, so we now got calculate. We are creating a formula, guys. These things in the mind of a company, they wanna make sure that we are giving the bonus to the right people, the people who bring a lot of money in the company. Okay, that's what they're trying to do. Okay, so we just did a right click, and we're gonna create this thing called calculated field to solve this problem. Okay, so the unit price, this is the formula. This is the formula. So the formula, you guys, I'm talking to people, really educated people. Okay, when you take total sales, okay, the total sales for a company, e-com, doesn't matter, as long as you sell something. Total sales, the formula in maths is unit price times by unit. Okay, unit price times by unit, you get a total sales. So watch this. Can we call, what are we going to call this? We can call this thing calculated field. We can call it calculated field. We can call this thing calculated field, or we can call it total sales. What do you think? Total sales. Total sales. We can call this thing total sales. And the total sales, what is the formula for total sales? You guys already know. Okay, so let's type this thing. What are we going to type? We're going to type unit price. Unit price. Okay, is there? Boom. Unit price times by what? Okay, times by unit. Isn't it? Boom. And watch this. And Tableau says that the calculation is valid. It will blow your mind. Trying to do something else, Tableau will actually tell you that it's not right. So the formula, it is correct. What if you're trying to put something else? Okay, just to test. Okay, so we put on the top there, total sales, and the total sales, we know the formula, it is the unit price times by unit. You're gonna get a total sales. And we're trying to do something else, say, what else? Okay, let's put something, okay, something like, again, unit price or something like that. Okay, unit price times by unit price. We want to add something in it for us to Tableau will tell us that this is not correct. Okay, something unit. Interesting. Okay, I wanna get Tableau to tell me that it is not right. So in order, let's goes with the Tableau assumptions first, which is unit. We know the formulas. So if you put something else, then the formula actually eventually Tableau will say it is invalid. But we know the formula because the total sales is the unit price times by unit, and Tableau say it is valid. All you gotta do, you can click apply or you can click OK. So click OK, boom. Watch this. We have just created these variables. Watch this. In a measure, we have just created this variable called total sales, and all we gotta do, what are we gonna do with it? Okay, we got this. Let's drag and drop total sales to the sum unit. Okay, there is a sum unit here. This is the one here, sum unit. Okay, I want you to pay attention. I want you to pay close attention. Close attention. You've got this guy, they were about to give him money because he dominated. He sold a lot of units. He sold 396 and he dominated. And they say, we want somebody from data world to tell us who actually deserved the bonus, until you showed up and they told you that we want you to measure them in dollar. Okay, how much did they bring in the company? So you have created a powerful formula in these things. I'm telling you, once you're gonna get in the project, you'll see how powerful it is. You have created a formula and now you want to measure this employee by their income, how much they brought it in. So we want to drag this and drop it here. Watch this. Watch very, very close. Something's gonna happen. Boom. Something had happened. What is Richard now? Richard used to be the top guy. Where is he? Where is he? Where is Richard? It disappeared. Why does it disappear? Can you see how much he brought in that 2018? He brought 2,306, but he sold a lot of product. He sold cheap product. Susan now is on top. Susan brought 3,102. Okay. If there was no data, Matthew is the top guy here. Matthew is the top guy in the central, and followed by Alex. But before you measure them in dollar, this Richard was dominating because he sold a lot of product and he sold cheap product. And when you say, okay, well, that's not what we're interested in. We're interested in somebody who brought a lot of money. You can sell a few. If you sell expensive product, you're gonna make a difference. And then watch this. If you want to take a quick look about Susan, what she did, right click again here and then view data, boom. Watch this. Susan, where is she? She's here in East. How much she's selling? She is selling product with 19 pound dollar per unit. This guy interested in selling cheap product. $4. She's selling per unit $19. Okay, and she sold them 81 here. You can see that make a lot of difference. This is how she beat him up by money. He showed up with a lot of numbers for no reason. Data is data doesn't lie. Yeah, data doesn't lie. So this is how the data is so powerful. Because you measure them in money, and Richard now is no longer the top guy. Susan took over because she brought a lot of money, and without data, they are thinking to give Richard money or give him bonus. Okay, so we can now see Richard is no longer the top seller. Matthew, it is the top seller in the central region, correct? Susan is the top seller in the East. James is the top seller in the West. Guys, can this make your company happy? Can this make a difference? Okay, so let's do a little bit of work here. If we want to do like color or something like that, we can make this thing looking nice, you know, we can like sort them. Okay, we can sort them, or we can put some colors in it or something like that. Let's sort. If we right click here, okay, or we can sort them even from here. We can sort them from here. Somebody trying to speak. Let me see if somebody trying to speak to help. Or somebody trying to speak earlier. Okay, right. So we want to sort. We want to sort this. You can sort this just by coming here. There is a sort. Okay, sort. Okay, ascending or descending. We can sort this like this, or we can sort this like this. I think this is far more better. What do you think? This is far more better. Looking good. Yeah, we can sort these things like that. What else? What else can we do? What else can we do here? We can probably put like a same kind of colors, and even like this is looking good. So let's look at our notes. What else can we do? So we have created calculated fields. Okay, we have created calculated field. Calculated field is a very important function to solve problems on Tableau, because you will often come across this type of incomplete data set that don't have the right variables. Okay, so we have created something that this variable does not exist in the data set. The total sales, they did not calculate it. They haven't done that. That's why the company, they capture the data poorly. Okay, so once it's been captured poorly, and you want to do your analytics, you are trying to see if you can add something. So, and this is why we have just created this calculated field, and we can now visualize these things in pie chart, okay, or bubble chart. Let's try something else. You can see here, looking good. You can do this in chart, pie chart. This doesn't look. I don't think this looking good. Even if we click on pie chart, Tableau is still saying that you shouldn't move this data from different visualization at all. It's still sticking there in there bubble chart. Does it look? How does it look like? Looking good, but I think still with the bar chart, it is powerful. With the bar chart, it is powerful. With the bar chart, it's powerful, and you can leave it as it is, like this, or you can horizontal, fine, or you can try vertical, just like that. Fantastic. So far so good. I just want to drop something here If we can get like unit or rep to the color, let's see let's see what that can do. So I get red to the color. Okay, just get the rep and drop it to the color. Okay, or you gotta get a unit and drop it to the color. What do you think about that? You get a unit, you drop it to the color. How does that look like? I think this is looking good. What do you think? The thicker the color, let me see here. Okay, it is okay. Yeah, Susan is still here. So it looking good. So let's revert this. Let's revert this. This is becoming technical, guys. we are moving from basic to advanced stuff. But let's look at this. Color. We want to edit color, and we want to edit color. Yeah. Okay. So do we need to edit it? No, really. When is the lighter, the darker? Okay, let me see what we can do. And we can again sort this. We can sort this. We can sort this. Okay. Yeah. I want to do a little bit of advanced stuff here to see what we can do. Do we need to revert? No, really. That's still okay. We can revert this. Let's see. This is gonna. No, that's not good. That's not good. No. That's okay. Yeah. And ladies and gentlemen, we want to add something more. We can color this chart, hold control and then drag total sale to the color. Okay. I'm using Mac. Mac is not listening to this. I have to do something else to get these things corrected. So to add a color, hold down. On your window is going to work. Okay, so you hold down control key, then drag and drop total sale to the color. Okay, so total sales, which is here, when you look at the node on your window, is going to work. On the Mac, I think it was command. So command, drag it and drop it here to the color. Boom. How is that? That's what I was looking for, baby. I got it. Okay. We are doing this live. Imagine you are doing in your office and people are watching you. What is he doing? What is he trying to do? You know? And eventually now we got it. We got it. So now we got the color right. What do you think? The lighter, it means is light. It means the thicker the line, I mean the color, the more the income. Okay, so this is just perfect now. This is just perfect. And this is not the time to pick on. It's actually a CEO calling. Guys, just a moment. Just a moment. Okay. Just a moment. Okay, guys. Actually, it was a phone call, very important phone call from the CEO. There has been a feedback that I am fast, so I have to slow down, which is perfectly very important feedback. So I have to take it on board. I have to be slow now, guys. I have to be very, very slow. Really appreciate your feedback. Students nowadays are so they're more powerful than the teachers. So your feedback, only your feedback matters. We always require your feedback. The color scheme looks like awesome. So, okay. Thank you very much, Charity. Yeah, she is one of she actually she break the record. I can guarantee you. Okay. She is actually in the hall with you. She did a lot of work in a project using Tableau. I have to give her credit, personal credit, plus credit from the company. I'm not taking it just to please her. She did it. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Check her out. Check it out. Why should I show you this? It is because it is the what we call somebody that did well. Okay, why should we go to LASU? LASU is doing brilliant and is one of the biggest and well-known establishment. Why should we go to Tableau? Tableau is the it is the number one. You like it or not? I'm not the one saying it. Forbes said it. Forbes said it. So why should I show her profile here? Just a moment. Charity Arrange. This is the lady. "41 Vs." She did 41 visualization so far. She just got started. She just got started. She just got started. So many things she has done. Yeah, and I'm not here to brag, you know, what she does or anything like that. It's just to give her credit. Just like you, that the guy called Philip Silas, Elias, all of these guys. You just got started and you're doing really, really good. You have to. This has all her visualizations. Before long, I know, one day I woke up and I've seen so much data. I said, where should you get the data from? How did you do it? You see, it is to take you from you guys know so much. Like I always tell you, you know so much that you're not maximizing it. Yeah. So now that you have the platform to prove it, you have the platform to yes, to bring what you have inside of you, then the sky is your limit. Sky is your limit. So yeah, thank you very much, Lady Charity. So let's go back here. Let's go back to our things. Right. So what is happening? What is happening now? We can now color these things by drop the total cell to the color, and we have the beautiful color. Okay, let's repeat the process by adding region to the color. When I say repeat the same process, I mean hold down your key control, your control key, and drag and drop region to the color. What do you think? It's the same thing I'm saying here. Like this, fantastic. But what if we hold down, or in my case, it's a command. So command key down, drag and drop region to the color. Watch this. Boom. Hey, that it makes even add more because the visualization is all about simplicity, and is all about accuracy, is all about the analytic, because there is the aesthetical side of the things as well in the visualization. Yeah. So look at this. The central, they're all in blue, but the thicker the color, the top guy is. In the middle is all orange, I think. This thing you're gonna call it orange. Orange, they're all orange. But you can see the thicker, or they're all in the color. Okay, we actually now color them by before, like this, one step. How do you want to go back one step back? In your window, you click Control Z, I think. Control Z, you want to go back. In Mac, if you're using Mac, Command Z or Command Z, how do you want to call it? Boom, you go back here. Fantastic. It looks good. Why not? That's just fantastic. Happy days. But you want to make even by, you want to give it instant differences in just a glance of eyes. Somebody can know. And this is where you can come here like that. Boom. There you go. There you go. So Matthew dominated in Central. He's number one. Okay. In East, is no longer Richard. The richest is gone. Susan beat Richard in money. Okay. In money, she beat him up. And in West, we can see it's supposed to be 3 people. And if you look at only 2, you can just drag this thing a little bit. Oh, okay. Okay. So, is it only 2 people in the East? Okay. Right. So, how do you find this? How do you feel about this thing? I'm thinking, I'm reading your mind, you know. It is how come you can do this, right? So it is these things. Now you have it. So let's then drag and total to the let's then drag and drop total cell to the labels for formatting. Okay, so we can drag and drop total cell to the labels and do some formatting. Okay, and formatting our chart. So watch this. Why should we do this? We want to see the numbers, because total cell here, when you hold down, guys, you see you're going to hold it down. Control key if you're using Windows. If you're using Mac, Command key, hold it down and drag and drop total cell to label. Why would you do this? You want to see numbers. You want to see numbers. Show me data. Okay, boom. Watch this. Watch this. Looking good. What do you think? Okay, and it looks like a numbers. Is the numbers? Yes, but it is the dollar. It is dollar. Can you add a money? Can you add a dollar in these things? Obviously, yes. So again, click on this sums and go format. Click format. Format. Boom. Format is here. Currently is the numbers. You can see is in the numbers here, and this number things. Yeah. So we want to change this. I think it's the default one. Let's look at the default one. Custom. Click custom, and data Tableau just pick pounds sign there, but we can change it. We can help Tableau say, hey, listen, this thing came from US. Let's put dollar there. Boom. Looking good. What do you think? Looking good. You can leave it as it is like that, or you can even put these things. You can put this. You can put these things like by default display unit none. You can put it in 1,000. You can put it in 1,000 because it's in 1,000. Let's choose 1,000. Boom. This looks far more better now. Did I choose million? Oh boy. It's 1,000. Boom. Yes, I love this. So because it's in 1,000. This is it. This is it. And then and what you can do from here? You can now change. You can do the formatting, like change the size from 9 to 12. Okay. I'm thinking. What is the size right now? Size. If you click size right now, it's looking okay. If you click this formatting things, it looks like it looks good to me. You can add, you can increase it if you want to. Okay, you can increase from the label here is 9 currently. The font is 9. You can change it to 12 if you want to. Change it to 12. Boom. This looking much bigger. What do you think? Yeah. Can try 11. What do you think? 11. That's it. Really fantastic, ready to show. And what else? We have added $sign. Okay, custom. We have done that. And then let's change the size to 12. We have done that. Let's publish the presentation just like that. So we are good to go to present this. We can change this thing, sheet 1 like that. We can give it a name. What do you think? Right click on here and then click rename. Boom. And we're gonna call it bonus rep representative, or what do you want to call it? So we want to call these things end of year bonus. End of year bonus. Or what do you want to call it? How do you want to call it? Do you want to call it top performance employee? What do you think? Top performance rep or something like that. Performance. Top performance rep or employees. Reps. Employee. They say employee. You just say employee. Why not? Okay. Employee. Employees. Just like that. You want to call it report? You want to call it something? Just give it something. Boom. There you go. And then we can now publish it. Let's look at some of our guys. They would have given different names. Let me check. Financial year end report. She call it financial year end report. What do you think? You can call it like that. Yeah, financial year end year report. Yeah, I love it. So financial year end report. Where is my Tableau? Boom, here. So you can come here, right click, and then rename financial year report, something like that. Put a title, something that financial year. Okay, so give it a title about something that it is relevant. Okay, so financial year. Okay, so guys, are you ready to publish this? Are you ready to publish? You can publish this straight into your profile. And how do we do it? We want to click on these things called, okay, so far like this, we are still on the formatting, and you can come back on that by simply clicking on this, but you can close this thing just like that. That's it. You're back on your dimensions and measures. Okay, and then we can now publish it. Just like click files, save to Tableau Public as, and I'm gonna call it maybe okay, LASU day 1. Okay, yeah, This is just a test. I can just call it test because I got so many. I don't save them. Day two, something like that. Okay, boom. Watch this. Watch this. Beautiful. There you go. You have it. Now, any question regarding this? Tell me, if it was not you, who do you think they were going to give the money, the bonus to? They are likely to give to. You tell me. Actually, we have come to the end of our presentation. 2 hours. Let me check this. If we kept up with the time, we started 55, 11, 55, 1. Is it more than 2 hours? Hey. Okay, but 2 hours, guys. This is 2 hours. Let's take it. Let's start taking question. If you did not show up, these people are ready to give Richard money. They were ready to give Richard bonus. What do you think? Until he showed up and he say no. You ask money. This guy did not brought a lot of money. That's only what he got. And they say like, seriously, we thought he sold a lot of product. How come he is not the one getting the bonus? And he say it's the data. Data doesn't tell lies. That's all he brought. Richard brought 2,000. Susan brought 3,000. Who do you want to give the bonus? And they say, now we understand how powerful data is. And they capture the data without the total sales. Guy, this is how it happened. It happened in a real life. And the company, they capture data, incomplete data. And you're gonna do this to shape the data, and you add formulas, you do the calculation, and you can get the data perfectly done. Thank you very much for your attention, for your time. You can do this, any company, doesn't matter, as long as they got data. Show me data. That's all you got to do. You give you data and ask them what you want me to do with it. They're going to tell you, we want to understand the power of our customer experience. Who should we give bonus? Exactly like this. And you can do and show it. Any question relating to this video, we're going to publish it on YouTube. Go to the YouTube, subscribe, download it. When you download it, actually you watch it offline. It doesn't eat your data, your internet data doesn't eat it. Okay, so do your practice. Do your practice as much as you can, and also follow me so that I can see if you did it well or not. Ask questions. Some of you have been asking very intelligent questions. Sometimes I say like, wow. We are dealing with the people that can change, can give testimonial. Okay, these are the people we can help. You know, some of the guys in the UK here, they got stuck. They got in a trap. They think that they think they got, you know, in a day, what they call it, what we call it, get trapped. Do you understand? They're afraid to come out. They're afraid to change the role, or to change the job. You know, in the US, somebody can change 10 times career, 10 times. If it is not bringing money, it's gonna go quickly and change and learn something new. Yeah, they change like that. It doesn't matter what they got as a qualification. Does it bring you money? Good. If it doesn't, go and learn something else. In the US, 10 times people change their career like that. Yeah, here some of them, they change it, you know, they change. I'm one of them. And I wasn't born data scientist, no. So, but some people are ready to take action. Some of them slow. They say they're worried. They're scared. It's something new. They're scared to be tested. They're scared, they are worried to be tested. No, Be tested. You want to drive cars. Over there, you can get your driving license. I think maybe somebody going to let you have it or something like that. Here, they're going to test you. They're going to test you. You're going to do a test. You fail, go and learn again and come back again. Some people don't want to be tested. So you guys have courage to do any question. Guys, let's hear question. Type your question in the chat box, and I believe Charity is there. Some of our guys are on the ground, but the better you type them here, or we got a platform, these things. If you are not here yet, you can join this group and type your question. I'm very responsive. I'm gonna scroll, scroll them and look at things, and definitely answer your question. If I don't answer your question, maybe I haven't seen it. But if I see it, I will answer your question. Let's go with the question. Any question on today, data analytics? Seems like a lot of 2 hours, isn't it? Yeah. So 11. Yeah. Any question on this? I like that somebody say, wow. I think it's the Dr. E. I got, yes. Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you very much. Any question, guys? I think you are excited, and I know that you guys love to add value, which is you're doing very, very well. And I wanna get question from you. You've been blown away, fantastic. But any question, where should you go from here? Have you downloaded the Tableau? Have you downloaded the data set I've given you? Have you practiced, yes or no? It is a practical thing. We are shaping a bit of, you go to the company, they go, we got our culture. They want to give you their culture. Our culture is a practice. Okay, wake up and do practice. Today, after this, we drop this video, go and watch and do the practice. We believe in practice makes perfect. Okay, how beautiful the lecture is. If you don't do practice, you're gonna start not being our friend, because we're gonna show only people who do practice on the platform. That's how we do. That's how we promote our things. Yeah. What do we? Okay, somebody is asking, what do we do when a company doesn't have a data? They have a data, baby. They have a data. A book. Philip is asking, how do we do when a company doesn't have a data? They have it. They have it. Any company has got a data. So if they don't have data at all, they're not even going to bring you in at all, because it is like a garage. If they don't have if they don't have breakdown cars, I don't think they're ready to bring a mechanic guy yet. So they have data, but the data, if it's a poorly captured, then you can go. We'll show you down the line where you can get extra data to add, to blend. Okay, do data blending, but they have data. Yeah. If they don't have data, I don't think they are ready yet for the change. They are not ready yet. They haven't even started. Yeah. I hope I answer your question, Philip. So this is it. They got data, they capturing data, hospital got data, they ask you your name and they write it down. That's all they do. You go to a shop is taking your money, you buy a product and they just give you a change. That corner shop, the little one that you see at the corner, is doing cash. Okay, they haven't started yet. They haven't started. In the UK here, a corner shop, they have payment. They take your data straight away. Okay, so the data that they're taking, it is actually your bank detail. They say no, you can use it. You can use payment. We've got easy payment and all of that. Okay, as you get into it, the next time when you show up again, they're going to give you a different product. They're going to ask you if this last time you bought something from us, how do you find it? I don't like it, or I like it. They're going to give you something called voucher, okay, or the card. We call it it's called point card. Any shop corner has it. They're going to say, take this. If you buy 10 products from us, we give you £1 free or something like that. Or if you collect a lot of points, then you will give you cash. And that card that they're giving you, you're going to put your name there. You're going to put your telephone number there. You're going to put your address there. Before long, when you walk out, they got all your data. Just a little corner shop. And after 2-3 years, it brought somebody like you, somebody like me. And I say, I want to do marketing. I want to target my customers. And that data, they got a digital CRM that capture all of this data. So any company in Nigeria should have. Yeah. I answered, Philip. I answered your question, and I hope so. Any question? Yeah, I've got this question. He's asking, I think this is not the name, it's SBS. What do we do when a company, I thought it was a Philip. Philip was asking the same question. Okay, well, as a data scientist, you can fetch data through survey or others, prepare them for analysis, and then analyze them for the desired result. I believe SBS trying to answer this question. Yeah, okay. As well as a data scientist, you can, yeah. Any question? Looks like it's clear, isn't it? Is clear. No spot or anything like that. When there is a lot of question, it means there is a lot of ambiguity, yeah, in uncertainty, yeah. Then a lot of questions will pop up, and you think like there is no question asked. This is like crystal. Do you understand? So I want you to practice, because if you're not practicing, you're not helping us, and we're not helping. Your time is so important. Okay, you give us permission to show up and do practical things, and we want to go after you until you do the practice and show. Don't just do it and then be quiet about it. No, show it. Come here and publish it. Say, hey, I finished my visualization today. The way you want to call it, the financial year report. Okay, yeah. So Cortens is say, please, does Tableau use only for big data? Can a small data set can analyze be done on it? Cortens is your question here is yeah, very intelligent question. It's not really for big data only. No, it's just for data. The word big data is actually the amount, large data, but you can use small data. This analysis we've just done is a very small data. Okay, the one we just done here. When you open it, you realize it's a small. Guys, just a moment. Just a moment. Okay, so I think we have come to the end. I can see some of the question. Please, Constance again, say, please, why do we have to drop refs to the color? Yeah, we drop refs to the color to distinguish to give at a glance. You're gonna see who it is. It is the top employee or the top seller. Okay, by dragging rep to the color, before it shows us the thicker the line, the color, it shows you actually the guy who made a lot of money, who brought a lot of money in the company. And later we say, let's drop also region to the color. And when we drop region to the color, is actually coloring regions, but still maintain, actually give like each region colors. But you can see the bar chart that the higher it is, that's the guy who brought a lot of money. So it's actually to distinguish. The reason we have dropped them to the color, the rep to the color, is to distinguish them by the revenue. Okay, so the Tableau tells us that the lighter the color, the guy did not brought a lot of money. The thicker the color, he brought a lot of money. But then we also want to distinguish it by region, and we brought it here. So you can see here. So it's just to distinguish who brought a lot of money, who brought a lot of income. But if we did not do that, Tableau still give us a random color. Okay, a random color. So we can now be specific. So that's all we did that. But down the line, when you're going to learn a lot about colors. The color looks like a symbol, but in the mind of data analysts or data scientists, the color is so powerful. It distinguishes something. So that's why you use the color heavily here. Hope I answer your question. Let's see, any more question? Okay. Good stuff. So our time is we started 12, 1, 2 hours. I supposed only to do 2 hours. I've been given 2 hours, and I've gone beyond, or I'm still on the time. Let me check what is going to happen next. Okay, next question. Are you going to share this video on YouTube? Absolutely. Yes, baby. I'm gonna drop this after it's after 30 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes it will be ready. Or depends. It depends. But this is definitely going to be on a YouTube. So some of you have subscribed. Subscribe to it. Click that thing. It tells you when the new video is available. They send you a notification, and right away you can download it, you know, and watch these things offline, or you can watch it on the platform here. In this thing, we're also going to drop it here so that you make sure that you have it. This is we want you to make sure you have it. Yeah. Elias, let me see. He's saying, no. Wow. Let me check what he's doing. Look at this. I'm telling you, the reason I love working with you, this is Elias. Elias Sunny. Sunny, this is how you pronounce it, please, because I want to pronounce your name properly. And he actually did something. He opened up a little bit, even on the y-axis. The money actually showed up. Okay, it's the same here, but I've kept it like a squeeze. Do you understand? It's the same money here. But if you want to make it large, you want to make it large on the y-axis, like Elias here. Watch this. Watch this. You can see here. He just made it large. You just pull this thing and make it large. You can see here. This is one of you. As I'm talking, he completed it. If he showed up in a company, the company say, this is the data, we want you to do this. Do you think him proving this to a company, and they are looking for data scientists, data analysts, what will stop from the company to recruit him? What is it? Is it money that they don't have money to pay him? Or is it that they don't have the tools, the right tools? Or what is it? You tell me. It will take a long time for people to take action. I'm talking that I'm going to drop the video. Isn't done yet. He has finished it. So these are the people we can give credit. We can give credit to anybody who take action like this. Why should I show them? Why should I show Charity? Why should I show Elias? He finished it. He finished it, and it has nothing to do with the where yes or no. It has you are hungry for this. Determinations. Just did it. So you tell me any question relating to this. Any question, you let me know, because if there is no question, then we gotta let me refresh this so that you can see what I'm talking about here. So I can click on followers right now. Okay, he hasn't followed me. Yeah, he's here. So this, he just did it today. 26th October. He just did it today. And you can click on here and see it. This is the guy. Boom. I just shown you. Show me data. Yes, he showed it. Just like that. Yeah. So this is fantastic. Well done. Well done, Elias. I'm trying to get if Tableau can go more in advance to get it even time. I'm looking at the date. Yes. Sheet 1, yes. By Elias, the author. Yes. Ding, 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 ding. You can publish this. You can publish this on social media. You can promote yourself. You can share this like this. You can share on your Twitter. Okay, start promoting. You can promote, but no, yeah, we're gonna tell you what it is all about. But you can start promoting yourself on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is so powerful because it's full of employees over there, employers, and it's the place to you can share Twitter, Facebook. Start promoting yourself. We will tell you exactly what to do. Yeah. When you start looking for job, but it's the time. It is time. We will tell you what to do and things like that, so that we will tell you how even to start targeting employers, okay, companies that are looking for these people. We will tell you how to start connecting with them. Okay. This is not part of this, but I will ask them. The company will tell me, like, give me like a 20 minute or something like this. I'm going to show this kind of insight for you, so that you start connecting with these companies and also promoting yourself, and tell them that you're from LASU and you train with TC technology. You can do data analytics. You're not talking. Drop your data analytic things there. Check out my profile. Check out my Tableau profiles. I've done this. And they know this is not you talking. You've done it. You've done it. And they say, but this is serious. Well, these are the people we're looking for. Where does he live? They're going to check you. And make sure I will show you also how you do on your thing. Elias, if I click him now, this is not part of this, but here, about him, Elias, if I click on him, follow, so let me see, does he already connected his LinkedIn in? Does he? Just to test this. Boom, he connected it. He linked his LinkedIn profile to his Tableau straight away. Okay, for now he got 70 people. That's very, very tiny. So we will show you how actually you're gonna get a relevant people to connect to your profile, and show what you can do and all of that in a moment. We're only in the second week, and you can do already so much. We'll show you exactly how you're gonna laser target company that are hungry horse for your skills in Nigeria, in Lagos. Especially he's in Lagos. As long as you are in Nigeria, that's it. You're in. So he did it. Who else want to show? Just show me your data. It's simple. It's simple if you can give yourself opportunity to do what it takes to do these things. Yeah. Any question? Otherwise, let me check if the CEO is still here to take over. Just a moment. Just a moment, guys. Okay, guys, this come to the end of our training today. I wanna again one more to say thank you to LASU to give us this opportunity, this platform, to add value. And then I also wanna take this opportunity to say thank you for all the students in the hub. If someone can confirm today how many people have been in the hub. Charity, are you still there? Charity, you can send me stuff later. Actually, LASU CDC is here. Yeah. So Charity, please send us this information, pictures, like you did the last time. That would be good for us to keep track of what we deliver or what we do, things like that, and give us the numbers. So this come to the end, guys. Well done to you in the hub. You can see me. I love to you know, answer your call. Text me, drop your question. Okay. Yeah, drop your question. Okay, fantastic. Okay, great. Thank you, Charity. Yeah. Okay, fantastic. So until then, happy data science. Take action. Take massive action. This guy here, this is the right attitude. This is the right attitude. Having this attitude, you can do anything. You can do anything. Full of energy. Okay, full of energy, and stick to this attitude, because this is the only motivation for us to, you know, to come in to add value, to give you these practical things. And guess what? When you finish, you're going to be ready for the project and things like that. Yeah. So you're going to get your hands on the project. Who dived in. Today we just did the fundamental. Supposed to be 5 days. We're going to give you more of the there are 2-3 things we're going to do that to complete this fundamental things. We've done a heat map, just 3 maps today, and a bar chart. We've done bar chart. We're going to do scatter plot. Okay, we're going to do scatter plot, highlighters, guys. We're going to do highlighters, and then dashboard is going to be the next one. Okay, this from here going to be the next sessions. Okay, and you can do a lot. Go out and get data from your organization. Ask LASU. You can say, do we have some samples of data for us to do some visualization, some data analytic, and to bring back to you? Ask any company. They will say, what do you want to do with our data? You say, I wanna do some data analytics. I just volunteer to do some data analytics, and if I'm learning data science with the LASU, partner with the TC technology, and I've learned data analytics using Tableau. They're gonna say, what is Tableau? If it's a new company that is not digital, it might not make sense to them. But some of them they know about it, and they just don't have people to use it. If they don't have it, you tell them, no, I've got already my software. Tell them that I've got the software, the Tableau software. I've got it for myself, and I just want to do some data analytics and show you. Okay, all right, but where and how are we going to see it? I'll show you in a PDF. Okay, I'm going to show you. Actually, I showed you already last time. You can download this data and send them in on a PDF. Okay, so send them in a PDF. I can show you on a PDF, and then that's it. All right. So, okay, my car is asking, please, I need you to send me a Telegram group link. Okay, I'll do it now. So just a moment. If I come here, and this is the platform. If I click on this, and then I need a link. Okay, so one moment. Notification. I need notification. Okay. Share media. Okay, share media. Somebody trying to help already. Yeah, we are finished. Okay, let me see what I can do. We actually going to edit this data, edit this video. Let me see here. Okay, I'm going to pause now. I'm going to pause these things. Yes, I have done with the training. So there is a question here popping up, and let me answer your question.